Hi everyone, welcome to my another vlog. अनि म चाहिँ अहिले यता सरनाथ होली प्लेस प्रेसियस ठाउँबाट बोलिरहेको छु जुन बुद्धले सबसे प्रथम धर्म देशना गर्नुभएको। अनि म चाहिँ अस्ति नै यता इन्डियामा चाहिँ अस्ति नै आएको। अनि मैले आउँदाखेरि के यस्तो भ्लगहरु केही बनाएन किन भन्दाखेरि मेरो स्टोरेज अलमोस्ट फुल भइसकेको थियो, त्यसैले मैले केही यस्तो बनाउन पाएन। अनि आज चाहिँ फेरि यस्तो यहाँको बुद्धको अस्तु दर्शन दिने हो आज चाहिँ। अनि यहाँ चाहिँ अहिले धेरै देशबाट बुद्धको अस्तु दर्शन गर्नलाई आएको छ आज। अनि म तपाईहरुलाई देखाउँदै गर्छु अनि अन्तसम्म रहनु होला। यो चाहिँ रहेको छ सरनाथ वाराणसीको स्तूपा जुन बुद्धले पहिलो धर्म देशना गर्नुभएको ठाउँ। मान्छेहरू ध्यान पनि गरिरहेछ।
सबैजनालाई टसिदेले म लोकने चापा पञ्चोको साथी हो, धेरै राम्रो साथी हो।
खेम्बो क्यासँग हो, धेरै राम्रो हुनुहुन्छ उहाँ।
टसिदेले लोकने चापाको ब्लग
लाइक सब्स्क्राइब गरिदिनु होला।
सब्स्क्राइब गर्नुपर्छ।
यहाँ चाहिँ धेरै मान्छेहरू थुप्रिरहेको छ अहिले। अहिले तपाईहरुले देख्नुहुने सबै बौद्ध अनुयायीहरू हो।
Very important in the world, all the world. Vidaka be important lady. After one more she lady, she okay. Now we can call her Vidaka. Vidaka Uvatika. And Dr. Richard can say Anatha. Okay, na? She can sing. Yeah, Paku.
Apakavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Bhikkhuna bisawagina idiparane manake migadhaye mamavaram Yatamalam cak dhammacakkumudapade ayam kinche samudayam dhamma sabbantang niyodham manti.
Did not have you on our journey, but everywhere we go, we're thinking about you, Dr. Jaron. And so I would like you to say any words for the Bhikkhu Sangha.
Very important from Lucknow.
Yeah, he will speak too, but you will speak first because you are the most. You will speak first, please, Dr.
He will
Jaron.
very nice from Lucknow. He help our Buddhist believe. Okay, you allow me focusing. Anything. Okay. Today, Mahabharika Visakha, Dr. Wang Mo. He want before he studied Makkad University, Doctor. I want to help her for library. That time. After that, very important.
But the power of the blessings, and due to people like Dr. Jaron, for me personally, I have to say I respect so much in my heart, because without him, I would not have had the source of inspiration. Of course, my father asked me to do this, but behind you have to have support. And you have to have people who believe in what you're doing. Because I am coming also from a different tradition in a way. I'm coming from the Nyingma tradition, which is where my father is from, and this Nyingma Institute. So I'm a little more familiar with the Tibetan tradition, the different lamas. But when he said, please find a way to work with, to bring together, I had no idea what this means. And Dr. Charan said, Visakha? I had no idea who she was. It's true. But now, because I learned so much from you, Dr. Charan, and my heart is open to you, because I really learned so much through your example. He is so kind. He is everyone helping. I never see him not help anyone. So all the Upasika from the Thai temple, you are very lucky. You are so lucky to have him in your life and to guide you. You're so lucky, so lucky to have him. He's a great example of a great monk here, and a simple monk. You know, when I see how he lives very simply. He never thinks about himself. Even now with his back, he's not even thinking about himself. This is really great quality.
Now I become 80 years old.
See, he never told me how old he was. In the 21st century, to even hear the words again, especially in the sacred places where he walked and taught. This is very important for Indian people. This is your richest heritage. All of us are coming from different countries. Why? One single reason: to pay respect to this holy place, right? This is the main reason, and the pillar, the living pillar is the Sangha. If you do not have the Sangha, none of this become alive. So we must support the Sangha. They are a living example. They're the sons of the Buddha, the daughters of the Buddha, who are the nuns. So they're very important to consider. When they come to the temple, please understand they are not business people. They should come in here freely. They should come in here freely. They should be able to practice freely. This beautiful image of the Buddha, yes, it's an image, but for us it means so much. It means so much to connect to this image. So please understand, these are the sensitive aspects of us as practitioners, as living practitioners. And this is part of spiritual tourism that we need to understand and to educate, right? So, Rajeshji, please come and please speak all about, from the beginning to now, about Uttar Pradesh tourism, how this happened, the MOU, so everyone can understand how much work and effort you've had to go through to make this possible. We have to thank this man here and Mrs. Neelam, who is his wife. So please think of them in your prayers, because they were very responsible for this.
अब चाहिँ यहाँदेखि फर्किँदैछु है हामीहरू अनि यताको आजको प्रोग्राम राम्रो भयो अनि यता हामीले चाहिँ सबै यहाँको सङ्घहरूले चाहिँ यो जुन त्यसको त्यो चढायो उनीहरूले जुन यो चाहिँ बक्स भित्र त्यो छ अहिले हामी खाना खाँदाखेरि यो प्रयोग गर्छौँ यो हामीले खासै पहिलो चाहिँ यस्तो हामीले थालमा खाँदैन है सबै त्यो बोल जस्तो छ त्यसमा खान्छ त्यो चाहिँ जहाँ गए नि लगेर जान्छ तपाईहरुले थाहा छैन म माथि छेउमा राख्छु हो त्यस्तो छ अनि यो सबै सङ्घहरूले यस्तो चलाएर उनीहरूले दिउँसोको प्रोग्राम चाहिँ सक्यो अनि अब फर्किँदैछु फेरि के प्रोग्राम भएकोहरू देखाउँदै गर्छु अनि अघि बक्सभित्र चाहिँ यस्तो छ है खाना खाने त्यो हो भाँडा हो देखाउँछु यस्तो रहेछ यो चाहिँ मेड इन इन्डिया हो र फर्स्टचोटि बनाएको रे यस्तै यसमा चाहिँ खाना खान्छ खास सङ्घहरूले भिक्षुहरूले खाना यसमा खान्छ यो भयो होइन अनि यसमा राख्ने चाहिँ के हुन्छ चाहिँ यस्तै हुन्छ यसरी अन्त चाहिँ यसको बिर्को यसरी यस्तो हुन्छ यो मुनि राख्ने ठाउँ भयो होइन यो चाहिँ खाना खाने मेन बोल चाहिँ यो हो अनि यो चाहिँ यसको छोप्ने ठाउँ अनि यसरी खान्छ अनि खाना तरकारी सबै यता हालेर खाने हो त्यो बस कस्तो रहेछ हेर्नुहोस् त बस अनि हिजो चाहिँ हामीले त बुद्धको अस्तु दर्शन गर्न पाएन है दिनभरि सबै प्रोग्रामहरू के भएर जान पाएन आज पनि जानुपर्ने छ उता र थाइल्यान्ड टेम्पलमा डान्सको लागि बोलाएको छ त्यहाँ पनि जान्छौँ अनि छ भने पायो भने दर्शन गर्न हामी जान्छौँ यहाँ यति मान्छे सबैजना बुद्धको अस्तु दर्शनको लागि लाइन बसिरहेको छ सबैजना यताबाट नि यति धेरै लामो छ लाइन यताबाट एक्चुअली यता लामाहरूले चाहिँ खासै धेरै ढल लामाहरूले चाहिँ लाइन बस्नु पर्दैन त्यसैले हामी चाहिँ सिधै जाँदैछौँ
लड़की दे रहे यहाँ से छोटी आज बंद हो जाएगा 11 डिस्टर्ब हो जाएगी ना मैम जी
अनि त्यहाँ अस्तुमा चाहिँ क्यामेरा खिच्न अलाउड छैन रहेछ सो अस्तुको दर्शन भयो अनि यता दिएको छ थ्याङ्क यू
ये खाना सवारी वाला तो वहाँ से
थ्याङ्क यू सो मच केसेला दिन हाल्नु रहेछ त केसेला यदि नाल्नु रहेछ Marta didn't test it. When the train and language like that. For the next day, talking about Mother did the Granade for the day. Oh, my name. One.
थोड़ा इधर हाँ इधर देखिए
अहिले चाहिँ हामी यता थाई टेम्पलमा आइपुगेको छु यो चाहिँ बेलको रुख रहेछ यता चाहिँ सबै मङ्स रुम छ उता लामाहरू बस्ने ठाउँ यतातिर छ है
Who come people can start now. In 1 o'clock, this food area, this my buffet.
यो चाहिँ खाना खाने हल हो है
Myanmar, Pante, get that.
थाईको खाना है थाईको स्टाइल
Myanmar, Thai.
थ्याङ्क यू
Two more. This with me.
उनीहरूको लामाहरू चाहिँ यता बस्दो रहेछ भान्देर हुन्छ है थाईको खाना पनि खाएर अब आयो है सो यो भिडियो चाहिँ हिजो र आज दुइटै मिक्स गरेर त्यो गरेको अनि सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट ब्लग